Hey everyone, and welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips. Today, we're going to walk through a super useful process, creating a brand new user account on Windows 10. Whether it's for a family member, a shared computer, or just a separate work profile, having distinct user accounts is key for privacy and organization. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to open up our system settings. Go down to the Start button, that's the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of your screen, and give it a click. Then look for the gear-shaped icon to open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, you'll see various categories. We want to find and click on Accounts. This is where you manage user profiles and sign-in options on your computer. On the left-hand side of the Accounts window, you'll see several options. Click on Family and Other Users. This section is dedicated to adding and managing all the different accounts that can access your PC. Now, under the heading Other Users, you'll find a button that says Add someone else to this PC. Go ahead and click that. A new window will pop up asking how this new person will sign in. This is an important choice. If the person has a Microsoft account and you want to link it, you can enter their email here. However, if you prefer to create a simple local account without a Microsoft login, which is often easier for a quick setup, you'll want to click I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, to continue with a local account, select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now it's time to set up the new account's details. You'll be prompted to enter a username for the new account, create a strong password, make sure to choose something secure, confirm the password, and finally, Windows will ask you to set up 3 security questions with their corresponding answers. These are crucial for password recovery, so pick questions and answers you'll easily remember. Once all that information is filled in, click Next. And just like that, your new user account will appear in the Other Users list. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new user account on Windows 10. The next time you log in or restart your computer, you'll see this new account as an option. When the new user signs in for the very first time, Windows will take a moment to set up their personalized desktop environment. If this guide helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Evergreen Tech Tips for more easy-to-follow tech advice, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.